friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bluey and Bingo holding Christmas presents, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started on the left-hand side of our page with Bluey. For the top of the hat, we're going to curve this line over and across towards the right. On both sides, we're going to arch this line around and in towards the top, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close that off with another curved line. Stepping in, we're going to draw in a small curved line, curving through. Now let's draw on the top of the hat. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then down in the middle. We're going to draw in a small circle now, connecting that together. And then on the inside, we're just going to curve this line around and back up towards the top. We're going to draw in Bluey's eyebrows in the middle portion of this hat here. So we're going to draw in a curved line on the left and right hand side on a diagonal. And then we're going to close this off. So on the top, curving this around and in on the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now let's close off Bluey's body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now let's draw in the eye. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Moving over towards the right-hand corner, we're going to draw in an oval for the pupil. And then in the top corner again, we're going to do that, replicating that, just making that slightly smaller for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Let's draw on the nose. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out directly from there, curving that down on the side. And then we're going to continue to arch this through on a diagonal, curving that in. And then from there, we're going to arch this back around and up on the left-hand side. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small corner bracket. Let's draw on the nose. So on the top, we're going to arch this around and down. And then starting back on this line, we're just going to curve that up towards the top corner. Let's draw on the right eye. So stepping through on the right, we're going to arch this all the way around and in on the side. And then for the pupil, we're just going to draw in an arch line. We're going to draw in a small highlight on the top, so we're just going to arch this line down and then color in the rest of the pupil black. Let's add in the markings now. So on the left-hand side, curving this in towards the left eye. We're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side as well. We'll continue to extend this underneath, so past the mouth, curving that through. And then coming underneath the left eye, arching that over. Now let's add in the detail around the mouth. So stepping in, we're going to curve this line out, around and through towards the bottom. And then again, moving over underneath the eye, replicating that again one more time. Now from here, let's draw in the arms holding in the presents. We'll start with our left arm because it's on top. So we're going to start on the bottom here on the side, curving this over and across. We're going to move over, replicating that, curving that over and through, ending that at the same height. For the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then in. For the first finger, curving this around, back in. Stepping down, curving that over. And then again, one more time underneath, arching that up. Let's close off the hand with a curved line. Let's draw on the arm underneath. So we're just going to curve this line around and through from the top. And then again underneath, curving that line over and back up. And then closing off the wrist, arching that down. Let's draw on the present here. So stepping in slightly, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. And then we're going to bring this straight line across towards the left. Now from here, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to draw in a diagonal line from this point coming out, and we'll do the same on the right. We're going to close this off with another straight line. And then on the left-hand side, we're just gonna bring that line down. Just tuck it underneath the arm there. Now let's draw in the bow. So right in the center, we're gonna draw in a circle. We're gonna curve this line around and down on the left and right-hand side. And then we're just gonna draw in 2 straight lines coming up on the top. We'll bring those out on a diagonal. On the bottom here, we're just gonna draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out on the right. We'll do the same on the left. And then we're just gonna draw in 2 straight lines coming out on both sides. Let's move underneath for the leg now. So stepping in, we're gonna bend the knee, curving this around and through. Closing off the foot, we're gonna arch this around and up towards that arm. Closing off the ankle, curving that through. Now from here, we're gonna draw in 2 curved lines coming up towards the top. Let's bend the right leg, stepping in, curving this around and through. And then again from the bottom, just arching this up towards the top. Now from here for the tail on the top here, we're gonna curve this around and down. We're gonna move up, curving this around, back in. Again, from that corner, we're gonna curve this around and down. And then moving in, we're just gonna curve this back over and through towards the knee. And then we're gonna draw in a curved line coming up. Now we've drawn in Bluey, let's draw in Bingo. So we're gonna make her slightly smaller. So we're gonna come down on a diagonal for the top of the hat, curving that over. On the left and right hand side, arching this up towards the top. And then just closing this off with a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're just gonna draw in a curved line on a diagonal on both sides. We're gonna connect this together, arching this around, back down. Let's draw on the side of Bingo's body on both sides. So from that corner, we're just gonna bring this line down towards the bottom. We'll do the same on the right. We're gonna end that at the same height. Now let's connect the hat. So we're gonna come over on the left-hand side and we're gonna arch this around and we're gonna extend that down on the side. And then we're gonna connect a half circle to that line and the side of the body. Now let's draw in Bingo's eye. So on the right-hand side, we're gonna draw in a nice big oval, just making this wider. Let's draw in the pupil, so closer to the left-hand side, drawing in an oval right in the middle. And then up above, just drawing in a small circle for the highlight. And then we'll just color in the pupil black. Let's draw in her nose. So we're gonna come down on a slight diagonal, curving that out and then in. And then we're gonna round this out by arching this over and up towards the right eye. Let's close off the nose in the middle now. So we're gonna arch this around, down, and then back up on the side. Now let's draw in the left eye, leaving a small gap. We're gonna curve this all the way around and then in on the left. Let's draw in an arch line up above. We're gonna add in a small highlight here. So we're just gonna arch this around and then back up. And then I'm just gonna color in the rest of the pupil black. Let's close off the rest of the mouth now. So over here, we're gonna arch this line over and through. Let's draw in a diagonal line coming down. For the teeth, we're gonna curve this line across. And then for the tongue, we're gonna arch that over. And then for the bottom of the mouth, we're just gonna curve this around, back through towards the right eye. Now from here, let's start with the right arm. So we're gonna curve this line around and across. Let's move in. We're gonna again curve this over and through. For the thumb, arching that around and down. Let's move across, curving that over and in. Stepping down again, replicating that, moving that over. And then again, one more time underneath. Let's move up on the left-hand side, curving that line out, dropping down, replicating that. Let's close off the wrist, so we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Now let's draw in the gift box, so we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up on both sides. We're going to bring this line across. We'll draw in a diagonal line from each corner. Again, connecting that together and then bringing that down. Let's draw in a bow right in the center. We're going to draw in a small circle. We're going to curve this out and in on both sides. And then now from here, just 2 diagonal lines from the middle. Stepping over again, replicating that. Now let's move up. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines and then 2 diagonal ones from the top. Let's come over on the side, 2 straight lines coming out, and we'll just draw 1 on the left. Let's draw on the legs cross. So coming underneath on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and through. For Bingo's foot, we're going to arch this around and up. And then we're going to draw in 2 curved lines coming in towards the top. Let's close off the ankle with a curved line. Let's bend the left leg, so we're going to curve this around and in. And then again, just a small curved line coming up. And then now lastly for the tail, just arching that down, stepping up, curving that in, moving underneath, arching that over. One more time as we come through on the bottom, curving that in. And then just a small curved line in the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Bluey and Bingo for Christmas. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.